In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for an SEO content creation checklist. Let's get started. I start by navigating to the ChatGPT interface and clicking directly into the main prompt bar where it reads Ask Anything. Once I focus on the input area, I paste a pre-prepared detailed prompt designed to establish an SEO content workflow. This prompt explicitly instructs the AI to act as an expert SEO content strategist and build a complete content creation checklist using AI for blogging workflows. Once I confirm everything is in order, I place my cursor at the bottom right corner of the field and click the Send Prompt arrow button. The page refreshes as the AI starts generating the systematic breakdown. The response displays a clean heading titled Complete SEO Content Creation Checklist Using AI for Blogging, followed by an introductory workflow sentence. The system then outputs Step 1, which focuses on identifying the primary keyword, complete with an example topic and an associated AI prompt block. Below that, Step 2 populates, providing a section for generating long-tail keyword variations. It outputs a numbered list of 7 distinct search variations tailored for SEO blogging. Below this list, it presents another actionable AI prompt block to generate additional target variations. I scroll down further to review Step 3, which details how to analyze search intent. The AI generates a comprehensive structural table mapping out 4 distinct intent categories: informational, navigational, commercial, and transactional, alongside their descriptions and practical search examples. It then contextualizes these rules with an example keyword, mapping the intent directly to specific user desires like step-by-step guides and practical instructions, followed by a dedicated AI prompt. Continuing down the page, the checklist reveals Phase 1 of the structural workflow focused on keyword research. This breaks down into subsections for defining a topic with clear-niche examples, an AI prompt to find themes, and a structured layout for discovering a main keyword using tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, or SEMrush. Next, the generated guide transitions into Phase 2 for competitor analysis. It populates guidelines for searching primary keywords, studying competitor titles, headings, and length, followed by instructions to analyze competitor content coverage gaps. This section provides an explicit prompt to analyze top-ranking pages to extract structural improvements. I slide down further to review Phase 5, which focuses entirely on on-page SEO optimization. The AI prints out detailed formulas and recommended character counts for optimizing title tags and meta descriptions, alongside best practices for URL structure, heading hierarchies, internal linking, external linking, and image, alt, text configurations. The document ends with a concise summary formula detailing the complete lifecycle from research to regular updates. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials